Theopista Twembi urukwebembera UHRC Kabale Regional Office ayorekere ngo kigenderwa cy'umushomogu no kwera bebembezo kumanya obugabe bw'empungi
Akabw'ikipe ka Uganda Human Rights Commission College tushanjire obugabe bw'abantu na munonga empungi ezikubaze ryo mu settlements ninga shomo camp abantu abakuba bafurukire kuno baronde ngo tushanjire obugabe bwabo no burbatiro kandi bucirbatirwa oshanga bine ebizubu byo butashyikira offices zitari zimana zikwenda ngo zibabwe.
The best that the government does, or the best that our officers do, is to put them in custody. I think for safety, yes. I don't know whether it is specifically for safety and for security reasons, I would imagine, but that is not the best tool because they are actually coming to be helped.
Another principle is to seek consent and agreement for choice of actions to be taken. It's always important to tell a migrant that you've done this, I'm going to do this. Is it okay with you? That you try to seek for their consent on your next course of action.
Sotaka byogamu urwembero kurebuze mitambure y'abantu harakatu na boda ayerekera uburemezo barukura amakoro mu rumogu.
When they reach Rwanda, for them, you know, they have no nonsense, they don't want them, they bring them back to us. Now, the challenge we have, where I want to ask where you can help us, you call, as a team, we have failed to handle.
A house or make a shelter where that particular category of refugees can be facilitated to go back to South Sudan. Because that's why UNHCR here has no say on them, because they are registered under UNHCR in South Sudan.
Icyanga cya kigeze ni kigita Uganda hamwe n'amahanga nka Rwanda hamwe na Democratic Republic of Congo kandi abantu batari bamwe na bamwe nibarugoma mahangaga bataho mu Uganda umuringo gutegana sabembeze umwe gashakwa job namanya.